Welcome to Pink Caddy Garage. We're just about to shoot a video and just checking a few things under the hood, fluid levels and things like that. But I think first we're going to just do this real quick video on taking this engine cover off and how to do that without damaging the fasteners or the pieces around it. So let's do that right quick. So when I'm talking about the engine cover, I'm actually talking about the shroud that goes over the middle. It's really just a finish piece. It doesn't serve much purpose, but it is on there and it does look nice. First thing you're going to want to do is take this rubber bellows off. So let's get the camera in close here. It does get dirty under here quickly, doesn't it? First thing we're going to want to do is take this little rubber bellows off. So on this particular car, I find that if you pull up on the front, you can pop it off real easy. You can see it's got two little slots there that these rubber pieces go in, so when we put it back together we will make sure that those go in correctly. And then the rest of this, you're just going to want to kind of go around the perimeter and lift up like that. You will feel it popping off. There's about 7 of these total, 2 in the back. Reach behind here and pop up each corner. Once it feels pretty loose, some in the front. Once you get pretty loose, just lift it straight up and take it out. Then you've got access to things like doing your air filters. Not a lot else you need to check under here unless you suspect you have a problem. We look at these fasteners right quick. You can see they're just little plastic balls that fit into a kind of an interference fitting like that right there. So that's why you need to always lift straight up on this so that you're pulling that straight out of that fastener and you don't damage anything. Now let's show how to put it back on. All right, to get this back on, I find it's easier if you get the 2 furthest out little fasteners there and try to get those lined up and on first. So again, you're going to be putting it here and here. So you can see what you're doing. Drop these in. You can get those 2 lined up pretty well. Push those in, 2 at the back, and there are 3 at the front. If it's secure, the only thing left to do then is to spread this bellows out just a little bit so you can slip it over this front plastic piece. And then work these little rubber pieces in to secure them, top and bottom. And that's how you do that. Thanks for watching.